Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can start your page numbering in Microsoft Word from page 2, for example, not from page 1. It is super simple, guys, so make sure you keep watching and follow my instructions. So what you want to do first, guys, is left click at the very top of your second or third page, depending where you would like to start your page numbering. After that, click on layout here at the top, select breaks from that menu below, and select the next page from that drop-down menu. After that, choose insert from that top menu, and here to the right select page number, and from the drop-down menu select the type of page numbering. For example, top of page, bottom of page, to the right, to the left, centered, and so on and so forth. So let me go with bottom page centered alignment. After that, make sure that this option here, a link to previous, is selected. If that's the case, guys, click on page number here to the left. That is going to open up that drop-down menu. And from that drop-down menu, select format page numbers. And here inside that window, guys, make sure that you select start at here at the bottom, page numbering start at. And here to the right, select the number you would like to start for page 2, like 1, obviously. And if you do that and confirm your setup, your page numbering will start at page number 2, starting with 1, 2, and so on and so forth. And in the last step, guys, simply select the page numbering on page 1 and remove them by pressing the backspace button or key on your keyboard. And that's all to it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.